Samsung's upcoming flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra, has once again appeared online, this time showing off some eye-catching new colors. Fresh dummy uni photos have surfaced, revealing the device in silver, gold, and an all-new bright orange shade that has quickly become the talk of tech fans. The images, first posted on Reddit, confirm a few expected design tweaks for the Galaxy S26 Ultra. The camera bump makes a return, still large and noticeable, but now paired with rounder corners that give the phone a slightly softer, more refined look compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It's clear that Samsung is fine-tuning the design language of its Ultra series to make it more modern and comfortable to hold, while still keeping the premium feel intact. Among all the colors shown, the bright orange variant has definitely grabbed the most attention. Many people online have pointed out that it looks very similar to Apple's latest cosmic orange finish on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. This similarity has already started debates, with fans of both brands arguing whether Samsung is following Apple's color choices or simply offering a bold new look of its own. However, it's worth remembering that these are just dummy units, non-functional mock-ups usually sent to accessory manufacturers before the official launch. These models help case makers and accessory brands prepare their products in advance. Because of this, the color shades on these dummies may not be the exact tones that appear on the final retail units. Samsung could still make small or even major adjustments to the color lineup before the phone hits the market early next year. Traditionally, Samsung's Ultra models always include neutral tones like silver, black, or gray. Bold colors such as orange or gold are often introduced as limited editions or as exclusive options for specific regions. So even if the orange version does exist, it might not be available everywhere. But one thing is certain: if Samsung officially releases the Galaxy S26 Ultra in an orange finish, it will definitely turn heads and stir conversation across social media, with critics quick to accuse it of copying Apple's design inspiration. Alongside these color leaks, the images also confirm some small but meaningful design refinements. The Galaxy S26 Ultra appears to have slightly rounder edges than its predecessor, giving it a more balanced and comfortable grip. The camera module has also been reshaped into a more defined and cohesive layout, which enhances the overall visual symmetry of the back panel. These changes suggest that Samsung is moving towards a design that blends elegance with practicality, something sleeker, slimmer, and easier to handle, while maintaining the professional look that Ultra models are known for. While most eyes are on the new colors, Samsung has quietly launched an interesting promotional campaign for future buyers. The brand's mystery box program is now live, allowing fans to sign up for a chance to receive free accessories with their pre-orders. Each box is packed with useful items like a premium case, a screen protector, a powerful 65-watt charger, a desktop stand, and even a cleaning kit. For those planning to upgrade to the Galaxy S26 Ultra, this program adds a nice bonus to the pre-order experience. As the official launch draws closer, these leaks are building excitement and curiosity around Samsung's 2026 flagship lineup. The final announcement will likely take place early next year, where the company is expected to unveil not just the S26 Ultra, but also the standard S26 and S26 Plus models. Until then, fans are eagerly waiting for more clues about what Samsung has in store, especially whether the striking orange color will make the final cut. In short, the new leaks reveal that Samsung is subtly evolving the Ultra design while experimenting with bolder color options. Whether it's the bright orange finish that resembles the iPhone 17 Pro Max or the classic silver and gold tones, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is shaping up to be one of the most stylish flagships of 2026. The combination of polished edges, a refined camera layout, and possibly daring color choices shows Samsung's willingness to blend innovation with aesthetics. More details about the Galaxy S26 Ultra, including its confirmed color lineup and design materials, are expected to surface once the device enters mass production in the coming weeks. One thing is certain: the next Ultra flagship isn't just about top-tier performance. It's also about making a visual statement.